Wooden wall hanging ideas with wonderful modern designs will come in handy for organizing your home and office. If you want to add some warmth and texture to your walls, wooden wall hangings can be a great option. No matter what type of wooden wall hanging you choose, it can add warmth, texture, and personality to your space. Consider your personal style and the existing decor in your room when choosing the perfect wooden wall hanging for your home. If you are looking for a design way to add some warmth and texture to your space, consider adding wooden wall hangings to your decor. Here are 50 ideas to get you started. Wooden wall hangings can add warmth and natural beauty to any room. Whether you prefer rustic, bohemian, or modern styles, there are many creative and unique ways to incorporate wooden wall hangings into your home decor. Here are some wooden wall hanging ideas to inspire you. Wooden letters. Wooden letters that spell out a word or phrase can create a personalized and meaningful decoration in your home. Choose wooden letters in dark, contrasting colors to add visual interest to your walls. Rustic wall hooks. Wooden wall hooks can be both functional and stylish, serving as a place to hang coats, hats, or keys while also adding a rustic touch to your walls. Consider using reclaimed wood or distressed finishes for a vintage feel. Woven wall hanging. Create a woven wall hanging using thin strips of wood or twigs. This can be a simple, rustic accent piece or a more intricate design, depending on your skill level. Whether you're looking to add a natural touch to a modern space or enhance a rustic aesthetic, there are plenty of wood wall hanging ideas to explore. Have fun experimenting with different shapes, textures, and finishes to find the perfect addition to your home.